Hello everybody, good morning. It's Rayma, the only pislat in Peru. We're still in Oxapampa. And everybody's busy except the girl there. But the two here are very busy working. I'll go down now because I will arrange the things. Let's arrange the things. Come with me. Let's arrange the things because we are going to transfer to another hotel. Another Airbnb. Sad ko ayun. Kasi umuwi na yung ano ko. In-laws ko. Umuwi na sila. Tapos kahapon, napunta kami doon sa Pususo. Oh my goodness! Kita nyo naman, di ba? Kung gaano ako na kuyawan.
The worse the fight.
Grabe! I couldn't vlog anymore at night because my phone was off. Grabe kaayo. It was really... di ka makahinga. I'll bring first the stroller, okay?
Yeah. So you can
I
bring
want to
it.
bring 2 bags, but
No, it's already
one
heavy
only,
enough.
right?
Careful with the cable.
so heavy man di ay the stroller of Nashi. Nash! Init kaayo. Oh my gosh. It's so sunny but the wind is cold. Kung punta ka sa sa shade, if you go to the shade, you will feel cold. Look at Gloria, guys. At the car, it's so dirty. Okay, grabe yung pinuntahan namin kahapon. Uy, my gosh. Nalak siya. My gosh. Yun. Gloria. Uy, nalak. Kala ko nandun sa loob yung, yung tusi. Yung pinuntahan namin kahapon. Grabe, look at niya. Sharon. Diba? Gabat sa lakot. Ang pinuntahan namin kahapon, Pusuzo. Grabe. Yung heart ko, abot na lang yun. Hindi ko describe ang aking heart. Kuyaw kaayo siya. Kasi yung daan is very kuan yung daan niya. Delikado ba ang daan? Grabe ka delikado. Sige panawag ang kuan bangko. Sige panawag ang bangko, Ginoo ko. 100 miss call na pud ni karon. Yung pinuntahan namin kahapon, 'di ba? You watch my vlog, guys. Watch my vlog yesterday. It was so far. It was like here in Oxapampa. Tingnan niyo yung bahay nito sa Oxapampa, oh. Tingnan niyo yung bahay. Oh, 'di ba? Hindi naman 'yan. Tapos ito yung hotel namin. Ganda-ganda dito. Maganda siya. And then, yung weather niya pag morning, pag nasa sun ka, para ka lang nasa Pilipinas. Pero pag nasa shade ka, maginaw. Tapos maraming lamok. Parang Pilipinas lang talaga. Ano ba? Ano tawag dito, eh? Ibalik ko muna yung car seat ni Nashira. I-arrange natin doon kasi ang gubot-gubot. Pero ibalik natin doon sa kabila. Sa kabilang dulo ng mundo. Doon tingnan sakyanan maabot diri no. Ugaw kayo ang sakyanan. Ragod na oh. We need to mag car wash. Car wash siya nga kuan baka nang pina deep clean ba? Deep clean. Ouch. Kinuo ko. Huwag mo tangtay! Ginawa ko day. Hindi. Uy. Bigat siya. Ibalik pik. Ano natin siya doon, oh. Ito siyang ibalin sa pikas. Sad kaayo ko kasi. Wala na dito yung ko. Umuwi na ang ako. Hinatid namin sila kanina sa bus station. Hinatid namin ang mother-in-law and father-in-law ko, guys. Nasad ako ba kasi magkasama kami pumunta dito. Dapat magkasama kami uuwi, di ba? Kaya lang si Manuel kasi from Lima to Oxapampa is 12 hours, 10 hours, something like that. So si Manuel, hindi siya pwedeng mag-drive ng ganun katagal kagabi. Kasi originally, ang plan namin is Sunday kami uuwi. Sunday kami uuwi. Kaya lang, ang plan ay hindi siya nagwagian sa ba. We were not able to push through our plan because we got sick. We got sick. Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Na altitude sickness ako. Kaya we needed to stay there at the hotel for one night. So we got in Oxapampa Friday night. Friday night. No, Saturday night. Dumating kami dito ng Saturday night. So, kahapon pa, Sunday night pa kami nakapag-tour. Nagpunta kami sa Puzuzo. Ginoo ko. Hindi na ako babalik doon. Ako, Lord. Grabe ka, kuyaw. I won't go back there. Sabi ni Milo, will you go back here? No. And then sabi ni Milo, what if your friends will... Sila na lang. Sila lang pumunta. Dito lang ako sa Oxapampa. Oxapampa okay lang, pero Puzuzo, grabe ka, delikado. Ginoo ko, mangilingig ka. Mangilingig yung ano mo ba? Yung katabang lupa mo. Tawag nito, sa daan. Wala kasing ibang daan. So scary. I was really scared. And then when we came back from Puzuzo, na ano kami ba? Gabiin na. Very, very dark. So, Ginoo ko, Lord. So, and then nag-ulan pagyud. It was raining. So, double the fun, double the the danger. Kasi it's so dark. Walang ilaw. Ang daan, isa ra gyud siya na isang ganyan mo lang sa timon, ayun sa tawag ana. Sa manibela mo, isang ganyan mo lang, mahuhulog ka na, guys. Ginoo ko. Kuyaw kas tanan. My love, kuyaw jud ka ayo. Wala jud ko Di ako makapaniwala ba. Pero I was really thankful. Nag-pray. Grabe talaga yung pray ko talaga. I really prayed a lot because I was really saying, Lord, please keep us safe. Lord God, please lang yun, Lord. Keep us safe, Lord. God, guide my husband. So dapat, lang talaga, slowly, 30 kilometers per hour lang yung doon, yung allowed. Alam nyo ba anong nangyari? So yung ibang car, hindi sila kami kasi nandito kami. Yung iba, gusto mag-overtake. Saan sila mag-overtake? Doon sa pangpang? Gusto nilang lumipad. Alam nyo ba? Nung yung wide na yung road. Na na kami ba? Nakalugsong na sa tawag sa Tagalog. Nakababa na kami sa bukid na nagpasa na namin yung mga nakakatakot na daan. Alam nyo ba, na-overtake sila sa amin. Tapos, sinigawan nila kami. Sinigawan nila si Manuel. Parang inonsulto nila si Manuel ba na, hey, way baon! And then si Manuel, of course, nagalit din si Manuel. Pipipipip na siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag mo na silang patulan. Sila yung wibon. Sila yung morons. Paano? 30 kilometers. Ganito lang yung daan, guys. Isang sasakyan lang ang pwedeng makaagi. Sabi ko sa Tagalog, Isang sasakyan lang. Tapos gusto nilang mag-overtake. Saan sila mag-overtake? Nabuang. Mga bugok. Sabi ko kay Manuel, sila yung bugok. Sila yung mga morons. Wag kang mapaapekto sa kanila. At alam nyo kung ano lang dalawang sasakyan lang yung gumawa sa amin noon. Kasi magkasama sila, mga bata pa ba? Let's go up again. I'm getting the water kasi. Wala kaming water. No more water. Kita ko sa inyo yung hotel namin, ha. I like it. Ito lang siya. Simple lang siya pero I like it kasi malinis. Tapos, aside siya sa malinis siya, guys. Parang turo. 60 soles per night. 60 ha? 60 soles per night. Imagine. Sorry, naghalok. Pero nagkatawa si Dara. Third floor tayo, third floor. Ang place, tapos sa ibabaw. Tapos dito nag-stay yung...
This payment was per week, right? Or bi-weekly?
Picture, mommy.
Hold. I'll put Nasira there, okay?
Careful po. Ow.
What happened?
They have the actual.
Close at this one, Vicky. The sun will go to Nash's face.
Huh?
Close at this one. Yeah, thank you so much. Nit.
I'm vlogging you.
Majinit. Yes, baby. Thank you, Ache. You're
You
a
got
good
front
help.
again?
Huh?
You got front?
Yeah. I'm putting the baby here in her phone.
I think that.
Nashi, say hi.
Hi, Ache.
No, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Nashi, you have to say hi, guys, not hi, camera.
Hi, guys.
Nada, mamanda no la phone. You can.
Where are we going, Nashi?
What's this more about?
Nashi, where are we going?
I express even if they're around.
Nashi, where are we going? Hui, Yuki.
But I like when they are here.
Nashi. Nashi, hey, Nashi, Yuki. Who'll be there? What happened to you, my fleck? What happened to you? Nashi. Mommy, I'm showing the camera
Huh?
to you. Daddy,
Oh.
I'm showing the camera to you. Mommy, I'm showing the camera to you.
Wait, where do you see the pin from, mom? Anna, where put it on my car?
My bag.
Okay.
Where's the black bag? Oh my gosh! Ow! Ay, it's so hot! My paput!
I'm hotter than you.
Ow! Good day!
I can pass them. It feels like it.
Very nice.
Guys, there's a giant cloud just in front of us
Yes.
and on top of us.
Yes.
There's a giant on.
Oh, you did remind me.
Careful.
I had a deja vu.
Guys, on Oxapampa, there is giant
They
cloud.
remind me somewhere in the Philippines. Highway? Parang highway?
Ah, yeah.
Guys, in Oxapampa, there is giant clouds. That's why.
Some parang
As you
highway,
can
but
see.
I'm not sure where. Definitely not Bulo.
The next Airbnb is near to the
Plaza, right?
plaza.
Great. So we can go walking.
That's why. Because in Oxapampa, there is
Careful.
green mountains, giant clouds,
Stay at the center because
nice
Not yet,
trees,
right?
nice houses,
almost there. Stay here because almost there.
nice
Stay in this
yummy
career.
food.
And
In
then
the Pedro Pedro?
yes, let's look. You need to get in there.
Yeah, double. Here.
No,
Here, no.
not yet there.
Oh.
There. In Ripsol.
Guys, and this
Sorry.
is my
The map is tricking me. Here. Hala. This is where we... no. Sorry. There. Straight.
guys. This is
Straight.
guys. This is my first time in Oxapampa because I never seen green mountains, even
Wait,
giant
the restaurant was
clouds.
here only.
The
Because in
restaurant.
Oxapampa, there is like
Ah.
giant clouds or like giant clouds,
We are in
green
a
nice plants, nice houses.
Hala, no, sorry. Atras. In the next one.
Nice houses.
But it's
and
the same, right? Look. The same, right?
nice houses. Even nice,
No. There's no way to go out here.
nice
Check.
food, yummy food.
Good.
Everything is nice from here, so I like it. And this is my first time to me and Nashi
Yeah.
on Oxapampa.
It's a nice neighborhood.
How's your
Very-
sister?
That's fine. Fine. And Nashi's hand is here. Here.
She's not uncomfortable.
They could
Yeah.
be Apple bed, no. Apple
And we are going to a new.
Here.
We just
They could be like
we were in
where mommy sleeps.
What? Leret, no.
The cow. Cow. Okay, to
and
what?
also
Sige pa.
we just
We are the kuan.
Cloud.
We are in very deep.
I mean
Daddy.
cow. And we
No
just
wonder it's
woke up
cheap.
in
But for me, it's fine, huh?
a hotel.
Yeah.
Well, like
We are going to a new hotel.
50 dollars per night with parking already. It's very good here.
We're going to a new hotel that I don't think that it's
That one, I guess?
nice.
Ay, your sister.
She's fine. She just,
Dahil na.
Mami Nashi
Sige
just,
pa. RV. Where is it? Here, this one? Nadiretso.
That's it to the right? So one of these. Because the remainder was
I feel
was born
home.
here.
It's the residential, guys.